All right, today we're going to bring a vanity light, and this is actually a frost light, but it's glass. All right, so you got to be careful with it. Now it comes in pieces. You got to set it up, line it up. The connections go on the bottom for the actual backing, and then the top is going to be for these two. All right, so make sure that you have 3 connections. You're going to have power, which is the black, which is hot, and then neutral and ground. All right, so we're gonna set these up today and see how they work. All right, we just finished installing it right now. The hardest part was actually passing the cable through the actual first ring here, but overall beautiful glass. So if you're gonna put this over your vanity or your bathroom, depends on what type of light bulb you're gonna set up. All right, so right now we do have LED lights on it. You guys can see that they were very simple to install. Like I said, hot, neutral, and ground, and they do have various colors, of course. Now you could set this up in any entrance, hallway. It's indoor graded. All right, just make sure you're aware of that. Indoor graded, it's not for outdoor, but it looks beautiful on any place you put. It gives it good ambiance to either your bathroom or your hallways. So very simple, out of the box, real glass frost. I hope you guys enjoy the video.